Here are the dried orange peels which I kept for drying, and it dried in 4 or 5 days. I just grind them.
Go.
It is grinded well. I take it and I pour it in a container. And here you have your orange peels, which you can use it for your facials, for making your vitamin C oil. Just take some powder, take some pure almond oil. Here girls, I've just grinded this and showed you how I got the grinded orange peels. And you can use this orange peels in pure almond oil, make your own vitamin C oil, just boil it for 5 minutes and you'll have your vitamin C oil with this powder. You can use this powder for cakes, for making shakes. They taste so good. So, and you can use this with basin for your face and you'll have a natural glow on your face. You can use basin, you can use rice flour, you can use this chandan, you can use the orange peels, rose water, glycerine. So you can use glycerine, rose water. I have just finished, I have kept some for ordering. So you can do a lot with vitamin C powder, which is the orange peel powder. Thank you. Friends, today I'll be sharing a nice facial, how to do facial with Fuller's Earth. This is even called Multani Mitti. It's very easily available in Indian stores. You can buy this Multani Mitti or Fuller's Earth, it is called, from any Indian grocery stores. I stay here, so I went to Spices and Beyond. For the people who like to shop at Spices and Beyond, you'll even get it over there. I had this from a long time, many years back. I had bought this Fuller's Earth, and I'll share it, friends. I'll just take 1 spoon, just a spoon. I put it in the container. Friends, this is the powder which I made and I showed you in the video how I got this orange peels powder. I take this also like 1 spoon. So friends, this is rose water, gulab jal. It's rose water. I'll just take some drops of it. Not a lot. Yeah, this much is enough. This also is easily available in Walmart or any other stores. Just 3 or 4 drops because it's already so thick. And now I take little raw milk. I add it in here. And you should see how much milk is required to mix it. I have half a lemon also. I'll squeeze it. The lemon juice will make it so good because it has all the vitamins and all. And so friends, you saw I squeezed the lemon so well, but don't put in the seeds. I've squeezed it so well. So friends, I've mixed the product so well. This is the consistency which I got, and you know it's only made with 5 things. Fuller's Earth, orange peel powder which I grinded freshly homemade. This is rose water. This is glycerin, and this is the product, and I used half of the lemon also, friends. So all these ingredients I've showed you well. Now just apply on your face. So friends, I finish applying and I feel good. I've applied even on my hands. As you can see, it is just natural products and I've applied it and it's drying off in my hands so much. Just keep scrubbing it, friends. And all the dried things are already falling off. And for the face, no friends, just take and keep massaging because it's Fuller's Earth. It's like a mud. Just massage. So friends, I've already applied to my hands and it's drying off, as you can see. It's drying out so well because it is having Fuller's Earth, and Fuller's Earth is nothing but it's a kind of mud. So now friends, I have applied on my face. Just keep scrubbing on your face with light fingers. After doing on your cheeks, just come to your chin and just do like this, and with this 2 fingers just do like this, friends, so that you don't have to have a sagging skin. This will really help you in lifting up your skin, which is sagged also, and you have wrinkles, pigmentation. Just massage, friends. And for the up, just do zigzag. Zigzag, zigzag. And when you come here, just lift up your cheekbone of your friends, your apple bone. So friends, now it's already drying up in my hands very quickly because the hands are more warm than the face. Face always is cold. So friends, I washed off all on my hands. Now I'll just wash it off properly with the normal cold water. It is neither hot neither cold. So it's a normal room temperature water. So now friends, we had this lemon, right? So I'll just add 2 drops of rose water. Just a drop of rose water or 2. See here, friends. 1, 2, yeah. So with this, I'll be scrubbing my face. Rub all over your face, friends. So friends, now it's almost, I can feel my face is tightening. I'm feeling so fresh, and I'm getting so good aroma of rose water, of the citrus lemon. I feel so good, and it is so good to go through with the lemon. The face becomes soft and supple. I'm enjoying the spa doing by myself with my own hands. I love it. So friends, I'm washing my face so well. I take everything, I wash it. Let the water be normal water, not hot nor cold. So friends, you saw my face now, how clean and clear it looks. I'm feeling so light and good on my face all over again. And this you can do it almost like every 3rd day. You can do 3 times in a week. Just wipe it well. My t-shirt really became so wet because it was so much of washing my face. See friends, how good I feel now. Do you like it? See friends. So friends, you remember I bought this towel in my Dollar Tree when I had gone for a shopping. So these towels are really good. I like it. And wipe your face well. You'll feel so fresh, friends. You'll feel that you've gone to a spa and got a big and a nice facial done, and this would have at least costed you $200 in a salon. And I just did it at home, and you know, orange peel skin, it's so healthy. It is so expensive outside when you go and get it done. And this is Fuller's Earth. It is just like mud, but it is a clean mud which comes from Indian lands. And glycerin again removes all the impurities and all, friends. And rose water gives a good feeling. It's like an essence. So use it, friends. If you like this video, like it, share it and subscribe it. And if you have any questions, let me know. I'll be glad to answer them all. See you all, friends. Till the next video. Bye.